Hi there, my name is Lisa and I design for Cocoa Daisy. I've just received my October box and I'm about to show you what I'm going to be designing with this month. Just going to take everything out and I'll go through it all with you. Yeah, which I absolutely love. That's where Cocoa Daisy lives. And there's a sweet little card there as well. I'm going to be opening up the main kit to start with. This is the 12 by 12 memory keeping kit. And this is what the kit looks like. I've got the stamps here first, so I'll have a look at the stamps. As a designer, we get the kit sent out before everybody else. So quite often the actual stamps aren't quite ready. So we get sent like these samples. That's better. So I can show you. So we don't have the cute packaging, but usually they'd arrive in the cute packaging. We've got Welcome Autumn, Crisp Air October, It's a Beautiful Day, and Pumpkin Spice. Little fox and some leaves on there, which is really sweet. Love these paper clips. We've got leaves and fall. There's a little glassine envelope, which looks intriguing. Loads of little wooden pieces. These are sweet. I absolutely love these. There's also these, I don't know what these are made from. They are leaves. They're almost like a really thin fabric, quite soft. Love those, beautiful colours. We've got a tag and we've also got some washi stickers there where you can peel them off. They're like washi strips. We've got some alphabet stickers. They're like puffy stickers. We've got some chipboard. Chipboard's always really handy when scrapbooking. And we've got these die cut pieces. These look quite nice sizes. Love Life. Hello. We've got leaves. This was a great day. Lots of really fun pieces to add to your scrapbooking projects. They sometimes stick to each other a little bit when you're trying to look through. I love adding these bits and pieces. These ones are cute. I like those. So you've got some really nice pieces in there. What I like is when you buy the other kits and you've got die cut pieces, they're not the same. You do have different packs and they all work really well together. We've got some alphabet stickers, more. These are obviously larger. And then we've got the papers. We've got this one here. I love the leaves across the top. And we've got yellow. This one is almost like a wood effect, like on the bark of a tree almost. Oh, I love that colour. It's my favourite colour. Excuse my clip-cloppy dog walking past. We've got leaves. I love the colour combo this month. Really, really nice. These are my absolute favourite colours. I can see myself having lots of fun with this kit. Really nice mixture of papers. I've got lots of ideas now going on. We've also got this one from Pink Paisley. We've got some I always call it chipboard. We've got cardstock. And then I'm wondering if this is the paper add-on as well at the back. The paper add-on is usually the other manufacturers. So we've got Autumn Leaves. This is by Photo Play. Haven't heard of them before. Autumn Leaves. Really pretty though. Really nice designs. We've got Authentic, however you want to say that. We've got some more cardstock. More cute paper from Authentic. And two more pieces. I love the spots and stripes. I've also got the classified kit, which we aren't actually able to open on camera. We can use it on our projects, so look out for my sneaks coming up and you might see little bits and pieces. If you don't subscribe to my video, by the way, please do so. Please hit that subscribe button. It really helps. And if you hit the bell notification as well, you also get emails when the videos go up. This is the pocket kit. Let's have a look and see what's inside here. You've got, oh, this is nice. Is this the pocket kit? Yes, it is. We've got a notepad. Usually these come in the planner kits. I love that, with gratitude. We've got another stamp set. We've got autumn, everyday, a little, oh, I like this. You've got speech bubbles with a speech marks with lines, so that's good for conversation, and then current mood there. And you've got little smiley faces. Really nice stamp set. Oh my goodness, look at these. Those coffee ones were made for me. I love that so much. We've got more die cuts. Let's have a quick sneak peek inside. These are a little bit smaller. See what I mean about when you get all the kits and you've got lots of pieces. They just all work so well together. Arrows and little tabs. Some real mini ones here. These are so sweet. Big Little Moment. Love those. Perfect for scrapbooking again. Got another wood grain tag. We've got some more alphabet stickers in a slightly different colour. We've got some really cool word strips. More chipboard. Again, it's not the same as the 12 by 12 kit. It is different. And more alphabet stickers. And I've also got some of the papers. These are the exclusive Cocoa Daisy papers, which have been cut down to 6 by 6. So they are the same as what's in the 12 by 12. And we've also got the journal cards. We've got the larger cards, the 4 by 3. Really nice, these cards. I like that one a lot. And then we've got the little, sorry, they're the 6 by 4s. These are the 4 by 3s. Let's have a quick look. I've got my dinner in the oven. And I need to take it out. I've got a cake in there as well. And it's going to be ready. I like that one. I'm so hungry. This is so cute. Oh, I like that. I've got so many ideas now. You know when you start looking through and your head is just going crazy. You're thinking of different photos and different things that suit titles. These are really cool. I'm very, very happy with this kit. Happy Halloween. You could make little mini books with these, couldn't you? Lots and lots of things that you can do. These little cards are so perfect for mini books. So that is my October kit. I do hope you've enjoyed looking through with me. It's been so much fun showing you. Thank you so much. I will link up below so you can see where to buy this kit. We also have a chat group over on Facebook for the 12 by 12 memory keeping kits. So I will link up below. So if you haven't joined that group with Cocoa Daisy, you can go and take a look. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave me a comment. Please let me know if you are also a Cocoa Daisy subscriber, or if you're thinking about subscribing. I would love to know. Stop and say hello. And like I said, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon with some projects that I'll be making with this kit. Thanks. Bye.